Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sharesight for dividends. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Sharesight website by typing in the URL. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first text box. Next, input your password in the second text box. Ensure there are no typos in both fields. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button. You will be taken to your Sharesight dashboard. Here, you can view your portfolio and access dividend information. To check dividends, navigate to the Dividends section in the menu. Click on Dividends to view your dividend records. You can sort or filter the data as needed. This allows you to analyze your dividend income efficiently. You are now logged in and ready to manage your dividends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.